How to turn on or off videos notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on videos notifications on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and click on those three lines up there, and now click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And now scroll down until you find notifications, and here scroll down again until you find videos. Click on it and you're gonna find videos notifications. These are notifications from for when people or pages you follow posted a video. So you can click to turn on allow notifications on Facebook, or you can turn on where you receive those notifications, for example on SMS, emails, or push. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.